Hey, what's up YouTube? This is going to be a video showing some of the guns I'll have for sale. Just to give a quick history on them, me and a friend started nerfing a work buddy, and we modded a few guns, and basically he got out of Nerf, and the guns just sat in his house, and he's finally decided to part with them. And I'm going to sell them for him. So some of these are modded, some aren't. These are pretty old from a few years ago, so some of them are modded better than others. This is back when I first started, like I said. So alright, let's get this started. First thing that will be for sale is this disc shooter. The disc launcher with the remote and the gun. Does come with the power cord, and that will be for sale on eBay. I have a stock Airtech 3000 unmodified working. That will be for sale. Yes. Also have a stock long shot complete with 2 clips. The front legs are a little busted, but other than that, it is completely functioning in stock long shot. Also have a sonic bazooka. Still works. That will be for sale. Have a night finder. This is stock, unmodified. What else? I believe. Let me the Arizona. Nope. I also have the Arizona 8 shooter. This is modified with the restrictor pegs removed. I believe that's it. Okay, it doesn't sound like it's catching. So that's as is. I guess if somebody want to use it for the turret to make an octa-shot or something, I'll have that. What else we got? Got a night finder with something rattling inside. Marker barrel. This has been modified with, feels like a new spring in it. It's got a, wow, shoots really well. And what else we got? Also have the Tech Target gun. This is modified. It's got a very strong spring in it and a marker barrel. It also shoots very well. Got a Scout here with the restrictors removed. Can't tell if it's a new spring in it or not. That shoots very well. The little dart tag gun. Looks like only the dart peg is removed. The restrictors are still in there. So that still shoots pretty decent. Let's see what else we got. Got an Airtech 2000 with a paint job on it. It's also got a marker barrel, singled. Shoots very well with the marker barrel. Also have a pistol splat with the Pedig barrel. Which of course doesn't shoot well because this barrel is way too loose for streamlines. But you know, I guess it would need remodding or whatever for your use. Got a couple of the lights. they're working. I'll probably bundle those together. Got the Ertl shotgun. This thing has been modified with, I forget what the second spring is, but it's definitely got 2 springs in it because it's extremely hard to prime. It shoots very hard. Oops. And let's see what else we got. Got a big blast with the inline clip on the top. So that's you know, there's nothing in there. The barrel actually would attach up here. And it looks like it's come loose. The actual inline clip has come loose, so that's going to need to be fixed before using, and the pump has dried out, so that might be a good parts gun for somebody. Got a Titan inside a big blast shell. This also, I think the hoses come loose inside because it's not pressurizing, but it does have a Titan tank in there. It's got a triple barrel, marker barrels on the front. Be good for parts, I guess, if somebody wants. Got a double shot that the barrel's been shortened. Like 1 shell. Not sure what that is about, but oh, it's got more shells in the stock. Some of the originals with some cut down Nerf darts. But have that. Next, got a 3K with a mag strike bladder installed in the back. So this will shoot extremely hard, and it does appear to work. The bladder is filling up. Very powerful. Have a Vulcan. Have a Vulcan for sale that is missing pieces. The top handle is missing. Cover over the trigger is missing. The lid on the ammo box is missing, but the pedestal and everything else is there. It does work. It's got 2 chains. That will be for sale. Oops. Got a Recon. It's a brown paint job on it. This is one of the older Recons with the extended back, and there's actually a spring inside for better power. The strictures are removed. It shoots pretty hard, so I have that. It does include the stock. Got a Hawk Titan Hornet set that is unmodified. Yep, unmodified. So that's stock. What else? Got this vintage ball shooter that, from what I can tell, only has 1 ball in it. It does work. Like I said, from what I can see, there's only 1 ball. So, I guess if you have more. Hand me that. Have a new in the box big blast. Little dusty, but brand new. Have a AirTech 3000 2-pack. Brand new in the box. Have a mag strike that is, it's in the box but not new. Mag strike, it's got 2 clips and it works. That will be it for that. And lastly, there is big parts of a big bad bow. It's like the plunger tube and all. It appears to be everything except the spring. So I guess if you needed a big bad bow, got the darts and the bow and everything else. It's just missing the spring. So links to the eBay auctions will be down in the description. I also have a bunch of different assorted bows and missiles, Buzzbee missiles and the signal launcher missiles, things like that. But that's it. Thanks for watching, and like I said, if you're interested, bid on something, thanks for watching.